Good morning children, welcome to class 5 social studies. So yesterday class we started with the communication lesson. So continuing with that, we saw what is a communication. That means conveying your information. Okay, so whatever you feel, you have ideas, thoughts. Okay, so that one you are conveying it. So that is you are communicating it. So when we come to the earliest means of communication. So how earlier, before and all the communication was means one of the ways is through fire children. So yesterday's class also I told the fire can be seen over a long distances. Okay, many survivors have used this fire only to survive children. So it will indicate where the person is located. Okay, so still now you would have seen in the seaside you have lighthouses. Okay, you have lighthouses that indicates or guides the ships which are sailing in the sea or ocean know that a land is nearby. Okay, so this is indicated by the lighthouses children. Okay, then after that the written languages, that is the form of writing has developed. So what the people started doing, no, they started sending messengers. Okay, as the writing form developed, the people started sending messengers. Okay, then for the message sending, what they used, no, man, a person only can go and personally give the news, or an animal. See, dogs are also can be used, a bird. So you could have known that pigeon, dove and all being used to send letters. Yes, you could have seen in the history of kings. Yes, so animal means horse also can be used, children. Okay, so people riding on the horse can go and give the news to other people living in far off places. Okay, the next one comes the beginning of postal system. So still now the postal system is existing. So how it started we will see. So first in England a penny postal service. Okay, penny postal service was started. So what is the procedure now? A person riding in a horse will send take the letters and give it to the concerned person. For that he was paid a penny. See how we tell 1 paise, 50 paise, no? Like that, for his service he was paid 1 penny to deliver the letters. So that's why it is a penny postal service. It started in England. Okay, and then the one important thing what they did was this: they have a stamp on the letters. That means if the stamp is there, that it means that they have been paid. Okay, so money has been paid for that service. So a stamp on the letters. Then next one, modern means of communication. Okay, so what happened in the earlier means it was taking so much time, nearly weeks, months, like that, because they have to travel fastly, no. So what you have, horse or a bullock cart, something like that only. So that fast the news was not able to reach the people. So as they developed, technology developed, so what happens, this one, a modern means of communication developed. So how it was? It was faster, systematic and well managed. Okay, faster means roads were being laid, railways, the trains were being started and aeroplanes were being introduced. Okay, so this made the communication so faster. So now also we have, no, in train also we can the goods can be sent or letters can be sent. Still faster you want means aeroplane service you can use. Yes, airmail is there. Okay, so faster, systematic, in a proper planned way they were being done and well managed. So this modern means of communication can be classified into two things. One is personal communication and another one is mass communication. Okay, one is personal communication for our individual purpose, individual person. Okay, for him the personal communication. Mass means full for the public. Okay, so many kinds of people or majority of people, mainly we can say it as for public. So what and all comes under personal, what and all comes under mass, we will see, children. So under personal communication you have postal services. So individually you can send letters to people, no? Yes, you can send it to your friends, relatives, like that, using postal services. The next one is your telegraph. Okay, so nowadays this one telegram you could have heard. Now they have stopped it from the postal service. Okay, so I'm using code, Morse code, like that. Okay, that one they were sending messages. How they press that one now machine, according to that it will go. So now it is not there, children. Okay, then next one is your telephone. Okay, so we have landline connection or a mobile connection. So individually persons can contact each other. The next one is your fax. This is also being little reduced, children. So it's like a one printing machine like that attached to your phone. So any information they pass, no, automatically the paper will print that message and it will come out. You can take out, how you take out from a printer, no, like that you can get the message. It is fax, children. The next one is your email. So using computer and network you can send mail to your friends and relatives. Official also you can use. Then coming to mass communication means, so you know, magazines, okay, newspapers, radio, television, then internet, cinema and advertisements. So these things are for the people so to know the information. Okay, so what and all comes under mass communication means magazines, newspapers, radio, television, internet, cinema and advertisements. It conveys messages to a large number of people at the same time. Okay, the next one we are going to see is the satellite communication, children. So this is the latest advanced technology. Okay, so you would be hearing in news that satellites has been launched by India and some of the countries. Okay, like the pioneer to it is USA and Russia. Nowadays China, Japan, Israel, Germany, so many countries, Saudi Arabia, India, Pakistan. So many countries are sending their satellites, children. Okay, satellite communication. So you would be knowing that previously in our parent times, communication through landline, it will take so much time. To get a landline connection only, it will be very difficult. But nowadays we have the mobile phones. So we are easily at moment, within the seconds, we are able to call to some other person and talk to him. So how is it possible? Because of this satellite communication. Okay, so satellites are being sent. The satellites are revolving around the earth, children. Okay, any signal sent from the earth, suppose it is picked up by the satellite and it is returned to the destination. Okay, suppose imagine an earth over here, the satellite, okay, a satellite like this here revolving around the earth. So a person sitting in Australia over here, a person is in India over here. Okay, so when the person from there Australia calls, no, the signals will be picked up by this satellite and it will be, the destination will be there, no, so it will be sent back to the place in India. So this way we are able to contact with any people in the world, children. So that's why we are able to see live cricket matches, live TV shows, live telecast they say. Okay, so so many programs you would be seeing on the TV, children. This is all possible because of this satellites. Okay, we can see TV programs get forecast about storms. So recently also 1 or 2 months back and all there was cyclones. So we were getting continuous updates about this. Okay, about storms, floods and normal weather conditions. So India is sending weather satellites, children. Okay, weather satellites. That's why they are able to tell whether it will rain today or it will be sunny or windy or any cyclone is forming, means everything they will tell, children. So they can predict the weather. Okay, so because all it is possible of this satellites only. And then mainly your live telecast of TV programs. Okay, so mainly your television programs, live telecast, everything, and mobile phone you are able to talk, means all this because of this satellite communication. Okay, children. So the remaining we will see in the next class, children. Okay, thank you.